What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to take a look at an awesome light show from the guys at AOHi. This is a GaN charger, a power delivery GaN charger that's going to give you up to 120 watts of power depending on which model you choose. But what I like about it is it turned a regular old boring power brick into one that shows you what kind of charge is happening. So you see a little blue indicator means it's just a standard charge. True for my Pixel Buds. You see a glowing indicator there. It's going to tell me I got a little bit of a fast charge going on. And it's just something that I quite like. I like to just look over at my charger and kind of see LED lights. Who doesn't like more lights? It's also going to let you know when your device is fully charged so you can unplug it for safety reasons, just not to overcharge that battery. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these fast chargers together. We have the MagCube 30-watt portable charger. We also have the MagCube 100-watt charger as well. Now this is portable thanks to a retractable plug. And then we have this awesome MagCube 120-watt Pro. This is going to be your desktop charger. But let's go ahead and check out these products from AOHi together, see what they're all about. The first one we're going to take a look at is the MagCube Power Delivery 100-watt 2-port wall charger. And again, this is perfect for all of your USB-C needs. But what I like about this charger is, number one, of course, 100-watt GaN power. This is something that's going to be able to provide a lot of power to all of your devices. But I also like that it has a retractable plug, meaning you can just throw this in your bag when you go traveling. There's your two fast USB ports right on the top. And you also get a really nice LED on the front, which I think all chargers should have. It's just going to let you know what type of charger you're connected to. And you also get this nifty little USB cable included with this one. It's going to let you know how much wattage your device is actually pulling. Now let's just go ahead and take a look at this one. This is going to be your travel buddy because it's going to be pretty small. Again, this is a GaN charger as well. But just take a look at the size. 30 watts of power in this tiny little device. Now once again, you have that really cool LED light right on the top that's going to let you know about your charging power and whatnot. Little company branding, AOHi. And if I bring back the 100-watt beast, you can see the difference in size. A really powerful and portable 30-watt charger you can take anywhere with you. But of course, if you need a little bit more power and another port, I would suggest that you guys get the MagCube 100. The MagCube 100-watt Pro from AOHi. Once again, this is a GaN charger as well. But this one is supposed to be on your desk at all times. This is going to be able to power up whatever you need it to power up while you're stationary, while you're doing a little work. Just taking a look at the charger itself, you get two USB-As and two USB-Cs, so 4 ports of 120-watt power. Goodness maximum. Little company branding, AOHi. And on this one, you also do get that LED. All chargers should have that LED. I think it's just something really cool. So let me just plug this one in and we're going to check it out. Plugging in the cable, you can see my trusty Pixel is taking about, let's say about 15 watts of power right now. That's about accurate when it comes to a Pixel device. So now I happen to have my Samsung device right over here. And let's plug it in and kind of see how much power we're getting from my Samsung tablet. And it says super fast charging, so this is super fast charging capable. And there it is, 36 watts of power going into my tablet. Taking a look at the LED, you can see it's blinking, so that means it's fast charging. So to explain the lights on the AOHi chargers, a solid green means that it's on standby mode, but it can also mean that your device is fully charged and it's time to unplug it. So it's a nice safety feature as well. Once your device stops charging, you don't want to continually charge it. You don't want to degrade that battery. So having this LED light on the front is also a good way to remind you of that. Here's a standard Pixel headphones. This is just going to take a regular charge. No fast charge is going to happen. So I plugged it in and you see the lights blue. Again, that's going to let me know that it's a slow charge. It's kind of like a trickle charge going on. And that's exactly what happens with the Pixel Buds. Next, if I pull out my tablet once again, just to kind of show you guys with this LED, with this nice little LED cable here. Let's see what type of charge we get from my tablet. And it's slowly increasing. So we're getting about 12 watts, 15 watts of power, 14 watts, 22, 27, 32 watts of power. And you see the charger started blinking. So that just means that I do have a fast current going into my device. And we're at 30 watts of power, 40 watts of power. So again, more power than you guys need for just about any device that you have out there. Having an LED on the front is a great way to know that. Number one, maybe you don't even have your cable plugged in properly. How many times have you thought you plugged in your cable just to realize that it wasn't plugged in and you didn't get any type of charge? So looking at the LED light is going to let you know whether or not your cable is plugged in. It's also going to let you know when your device is fully charged so you can unplug it for safety reasons, just not to overcharge that battery. Number 3, you can see what type of charge your device is taking. And number 4, it's just super cool, am I right? I'll take more lights any day of the week. This has been a look at 3 chargers from AOHi, and these are going to power up all of your super power hungry devices out there. If you're looking for a really portable charger that's going to power up an iPhone, power up that Pixel, power up that Samsung device, 30 watts is probably plenty for you. And it's really tiny. It can actually hide in the palm of my hand. But if you need a little bit more power, guys, 100 watts is going to do it. So this can charge up a laptop, charge up your tablet, charge up your phone, charge up just about anything you need. And once again, these LED lights on the front are just super awesome in my opinion. Just look at that light and you'll know what type of charge is going on. But for you desktop warriors like myself, 120 watts power is going to charge everything you need, 4 devices at once. This is something super cool. And again, LED light, so AOHi. Thanks for putting an LED light on a charger and giving us these really portable, really fast GaN chargers as well. GaN chargers are going to be able to power up all of your devices and give you more power than you know what to do with. Thanks for watching, and I hope I helped you guys pick out the right GaN charger from AOHi. Desktop warrior, portable, super portable, all with LED lights. You can't go wrong with LED lights. Catch you in another video.